We've waited long enough. Let's open up a 151 box. I'm tired of opening up these tins and not getting squat. So we're gonna rip this today and hopefully we can pull something. This is the poster collection. Got this for 15 bucks at Family Dollar. And it comes with this huge poster of all the original 151, which I will hang later. This thing is pretty huge. And this is the back of it. It also comes with 3 promo cards, a Squirtle, a Charmander, and a Bulbasaur. And then you have the packs. Let's get right into it. Hopefully we can pull something good, guys. I think the card trick on this one is 1 as well. Let's find out. We have the code card. And then, yep, I think it's 1. So the energy to the front. Bam. Wow. Look at that energy. A nice hollow basic energy. We will be sleeving that. Next, Nidoran. Nice. Diglett. Like a hollow Starmie. Pack 2. Code card, 1 to the front, another hollow energy, pretty cool. Okay, pack number 3, last pack magic. Come on guys, comment, hit down below. Let's manifest something out of this box. Code card. Energy. Eevee. Muk. Nice trainer. Hollow Diglett. Mewtwo. We'll take it.